My brothers, this is your responsibility. Wallahi, this is your deen. If you're waiting for Sheikh Fulan and Sheikh Fulan to come and save you, wallahi, woe to you. Woe to you. Just like how you don't wait for anyone to come and pay your bills, why do you wait for people to come and teach you your deen? Why? Why? Why are we waiting for this person and that person? This is your responsibility. And my brothers, malish, forgive me, I'll leave you with this last hadith, authentic narration, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, so that you and I understand the importance of da'wah in our life. He says, لا تأمرن بالمعروف ولا تنهون عن المنكر. Your Prophet is saying what? He says, you will enjoy that which is good and you will forbid that which is evil. Or what? أو ليوشكن الله أن يبعث عليكم عقابا منه. Or verily Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He will send down His punishment to you. What is the punishment of Allah? He says, ثم تدعون له ولا يستجاب لكم. He says, you will raise your hands and make dua, and Allah will not accept your dua. This is His punishment. 4 million people in the haram every single year, 4 million people raise their hands and cry before Allah. Ya Allah Masjid al-Quds, Ya Allah Palestine, Ya Allah Syria, Ya Allah Babar. I want to ask you something. Is Allah deaf? Wa na'udhu billah? Allah, is He deaf yani? He can't hear them? Allah is blind? Wa na'udhu billah yani? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can't see them? Isn't He the one who says, when you ask me I will give? But what's happening? What's happening? The ummah is crying. No, my brother, there is a prerequisite. You have to. There is a condition. There is a condition before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can you accept your dua. And what is this condition? That you become a da'i ila Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is your role. This is your role. To establish deen in my life. What sort of deen? Full deen. And to establish deen in this ummah.